In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple accounts on Reddit. We'll walk through the process of creating a single Reddit account first, and then I'll explain how you can repeat those same steps to set up as many additional accounts as you need. Start by opening your browser and going to Reddit's sign up page. On this page, you'll see several different ways to create an account. Reddit usually offers options like signing up with a phone number, using a Google or Apple account, or using an email address with a username and password. For this walkthrough, I'll use the email method because it's simple and gives you full control over your login details. Type your email address into the email field. Reddit will quickly check if it looks valid, and you should see a small green check mark on the right side of the field when everything looks good. Once that appears, click the Continue button. Depending on Reddit's current setup, you might be asked to verify your email. If that happens, check your inbox for a code from Reddit, enter it on the site, and continue. In some cases, you'll see an option to skip verification for now, usually in the top right corner of the screen. If you see that and want to move faster, you can skip and verify later. But keep in mind that verifying helps secure your account and may be required for certain features. Next, you'll choose your Reddit username and password. This is the identity other people will see when you post or comment. Type in a username you like, Reddit will check its availability, and again, you should see a green check mark if it's available. If not, just tweak it a little until it's accepted. Then create a strong password and make sure you see the green check mark for that field as well. When both look good, click Continue. Reddit will now ask you to select some interests. You'll see various topics like news, gaming, technology, or local communities. Pick a few that appeal to you so Reddit can personalize your home feed with posts you're more likely to enjoy. When you're done, click Continue again to finalize everything. At this point, you'll be logged into your brand new Reddit account. To create multiple accounts, simply log out, go back to the sign up page, and repeat the exact same process. You can also choose a different sign up method, such as using a different email or one of the other options for each new account.